G'day everybody, I hope you're well. I wanted to take you through and show you one of the days this week. I just picked a day, it was not yesterday, it was the day before because it was a really well executed plan and everything sort of came together for myself and the community that I've got in the Slack group, which I'll show you in a minute, and those that are also done the course, that have been through the course. So what I did every day is I go through on live trading floor and scan all the FTX margin pairs, all the Binance margin pairs, all the Binance BTC crosses that are spot market and the spot USDT on Binance as well. That's what I do every day. And I create myself a watch list and I work from that watch list to find and trade. So I don't have to keep going through everything all the time. Now this is called live trading floor within our members area. And as you can see here, there's our live market scan. That was this morning's one. I upload that as soon as it's complete. And away we go. You get to watch it, plus my watch list where I'll do a video pointing out what I'm looking at, different trades and whatnot. You can get access to those here. So just to come back, I did my live trading floor scan this morning, like I do every morning, but a couple of days ago, made my plan, and here is what came of that plan. Back to Bitcoin, let's have a look here. If I'm going to pull back in what I traded, well, look, there's not really a pull back to give me a higher low, and the 4 hours just straight up. So the answer should really be no, right? And the answer is no. However, let's look at the one. I think the one's a bit, yeah, I don't know. For me, it's probably going to have to be down on these lower time frames. A potential another anchor point there. It's fib boosters all the way, man. This is a market that I'm willing to go in and have a couple of losses. If I do get them because I get stopped out because it's pulling, you know, I just happen to choose the moment the market pulls back, so be it. Because I know all I got to do is get one of these things. If I get a $60 stop on a move, $600, that's a 10 to 1. Now that's not much. You know, we're talking about a $600 move in a market that's nearly $4,000 or $14,000. You know, it's not a great deal. We could very easily see a $2,000 candle in the coming days or weeks. OMG, once again, this is actually a beauty. Look at this stunning little booster level right there. Love it to pieces. Love it to pieces. Ontology needs to give me a pullback, but a great looking trend. Stellar, pullback, great trend. XRP, give me a pullback, great trend. Tezos, in a great trend, pullback. Heaps to keep our eyes on, plenty of movement out there. It's just a matter of being Johnny on the spot and getting a little snap and grab, getting in, getting out, and getting your profits. Bitcoin's just started to move a little bit more high again. Can we smash through 14,000 by the end of the day? It will be interesting if we can. Guys, keep your eyes on your money. Let's see what we can do today, and have a good one. Cheers, guys. Be focused. Take care. Goodbye. So that was all about the plan for Bitcoin. Of course, it was pushing on. I wanted to go to the lower time frames where I had those anchor points so I could use and trade the Fibonacci booster strategy, which I love to trade in the lower time frames. From there, I will show you this. So inside of our community, the Slack community, here it is. You'll see this. See, I've posted it here, little 5-minute booster. There is a screenshot of what that image actually is. I'll just show it to you very, very quickly. If it will load for me, there we go. Started to look at it here, right? And then what happened? Well, it kept moving higher. So I said, please pull back now. And it did exactly that. We got filled straight away. Now, before I get to that as well, I also wanted to point out another one, OMG, which you'll see in just a moment also. This came up on the 1 hour chart. And as you can see here, I'm pointing it out going, hey, look, have a look at this. You got to keep your eyes on this. People are in there commenting, giving their views, whatnot, and that also came up on the watch list. So here we go. We're going through. We've all been filled. Bang, bang, bang. OMG's already hit 1-to-1, and here we have Bitcoin on that 5-minute cradle, filled here, straight at first to 1. Stop loss moved, and I ended up getting my stop up here somewhere eventually. I think I showed that screenshot. Here it is. I'm showing exactly what I'm doing throughout the entire process. So it's not to tip you, it's to help you to learn and work with the strategies that you're learning on the Become a Master course. I'll show you that little video that I do each day now as well, so you can see the guidance from OMG. G'day everybody, another big day for Bitcoin, up 5%. Here's my plan for it for today. Of course, we're going to start with the daily. Another big push, or the only option I can see right now as it stands, if this continues, is boosters and cradles. Look, we've got an anchor point. Need to see it push on a bit further. If it pulls back a little bit more and then goes again, Another anchor point will be there. It needs to get convergent again, of course. We need to have three time frames that work with that. So it's got work to do. There's not too much of a trend till we get to the half hour, and the way it's acting, I want to see it push on, pullbacks, that sort of thing. It's not ready for me yet. All right, it's not ready for me yet, but if it continues on the trajectory that we're on at the moment, we could see ourselves pushing up through 14,000, and then who knows, it could get absolutely crazy. It could go nuts. So I'm just prepared for that. Keep an eye on that. It's not in the bucket just yet. OMG, this looks great. Let's see where we're at now. This is on the 1 hour. Look at this for a booster. Yep. That's a bee's dick. 2 there. Another couple over here. Yeah. So beautiful looking little booster in there. I did this morning. I don't think anything matched up with it. Yeah, that doesn't add any value. But the 1 hour there for a booster looks fantastic. Also, the 2 hour, look, if it was to pull back up and, give a little cradle somewhere without it being a booster, it's also there. Again, another one of my favorite charts on the list right now. So there you go. There you got to see what we do in live trading floor to point out and find trading opportunities based on those lists that I scan. You've got the community here where you can ask questions, be involved, see the trades that I'm looking at, see what's going on within your community of like-minded traders. Every single one of these people has done the Become a Master course. And you also, as part of that, get access to Crypto TV, or Trader TV, sorry, whereby you get these watch lists from myself and my team 6 days a week. Do the course, go through the classroom, get yourself on live trading floor, learn to scan, get yourself in the Slack community, and get yourself 6 day a week videos so that you can actually learn to be the best trader you can be, not just through me, but through the greater community there as well. So I wanted to give you a welcome. Of course, we do have a free course there as well, which is called Become a Trader. As you can see, this is all in the background here. This is the membership portal. You can see through here, you've got the Become a Trader, all free, and the Become a Master there as well. I've made these courses much, much more interactive now. You can see all the different chapters to go through, and I welcome you aboard. Have a fantastic weekend and a fantastic day. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.